Hey, I am back with another video. This is a quick, simple before work beat. Very easy to create. If you want to see how I got it, then keep watching. We're going to start off with the skin. I'm going in with the e.l.f. Cooling Under Eye Refresh Rollerball Thingamajig. I love this thing. I actually got up at 4:30 this morning to film this video. Not this morning, but at the particular morning in this video to film this video. So my eyes was a little rough, you know. Got to pull out the refresh. Now I'm going in with the Dr. Brandt's No More Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffer Gel. I actually really do like this stuff. I see that it really does work, and I love the way it keeps my concealer hugged to my under eye area all day. Now I'm taking the Philosophy's Ultimate Miracle Worker Rejuvenating Cream, and this is going to be my moisturizer. I absolutely love this product. Now we about to hit the foundation, going in with the Becca Evermatte Poreless Primer. This was actually my second time trying this primer. The first time I tried it, I was in the midst of a really stressful situation where my face was breaking out, and I thought it was the primer that caused it. So I stopped using it for quite some time, for a couple of months actually, and then I realized, okay, it's not the primer that's doing it, so I whipped it back out, and I actually really do love that primer. Now I'm going in with the Rimmel Stay Matte foundations, and I have the color Deep Mocha and Warm Honey. And I started off with Warm Honey first, and I realized that Warm Honey is going to be way too white, so I had to go and wipe Warm Honey up off the face and go in with Deep Mocha instead.
Someone place me in the spill where I belong. Please, I can't do this alone when I don't even know how. Whatever, forget it, I don't care, whatever.
This was my first time trying this foundation. I'm not sure if I said that earlier, and I really like this foundation a lot. Definitely full coverage, definitely matte. It's a really thick formula, moussey texture, and I love the way it applied. I love the way it looked. I love the way it lasted all day. Really like that foundation. Now we're headed over to the eyes. I don't even know why I include this in my videos now anymore, because you already know that if I'm wearing eyeshadow, e.l.f.'s eyeshadow primer is up underneath it, holding it down. Now I'm going in with the Loreal Paris Enchanted Scented Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm taking the color number 11 because for some reason they didn't give them real names, they just numbered them. So this is color 11 in the palette, and this is another product that I really love, and it's from the drugstore. And the eyeshadows in this palette are super pigmented, buttery soft, and matte blew me away. I really like this palette. This is my first L'Oreal eyeshadow anything actually, as far as eyeshadows goes, and I really like this palette a lot. Now I'm taking number 9, and I'm just gonna buff that into the crease, helping to blend out number 11. Now in the palette, Number 11 and number 9 look brown, but they come off very plummy, peachy on the eyes. Going in with the Morphe 3502 palette, I'm taking that beigey light matte color in there, and I'm just using that to highlight my brow bone area and further blend out the two colors from the Loreal palette. Going back in with that L'Oreal palette, I'm taking number 11 again, and I'm going to use that on the lower lash line. I'm using a smudger brush just to blend that down there, give it some depth. I personally don't think an eyeshadow look is complete unless you have eyeshadow on the lower lash line. Like, I cannot not have eyeshadow down there. And now I'm going in, I believe, with the color number 3. And this is a gorgeous inner tear duct highlight, or highlight of any type. I would even wear this as an actual highlight on my cheekbones. It is absolutely gorgeous, and the camera does not do it justice. Now I'm taking the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Liquid Eyeliner in the color black. This is my first time trying this product in this video, and let's just let you know, I tossed it afterwards. I absolutely cannot stand a shiny eyeliner. I don't know what it is. Actually, this is my first time ever trying an eyeliner that was shiny after it set, and I never understood why people didn't like it until I actually had it, and I was like, oh my god, I can't. It was kind of easy to apply. I didn't have an issue with applying it. It was just the fact that when it dried down very wet looking, and I personally like a matte eyeliner. Now I'm going in with ColourPop's gel eyeliner in the color Swerve, and I'm using that in my top and bottom waterlines. Going in with another new product that's new to me. Not a new product, but a product that's new to me. This is by e.l.f. This is their Superhero Mascara. I've heard a lot of actually good things about this mascara, but me personally thought it was alright. It's doable, like on a chill day, a no makeup kind of day, you know, when you don't want to put on much, but you want to still look put together. That type of mascara, you know. Now we're going to go ahead and finish the face. I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Dark, realizing that it may be a little too dark for the under eye area, so I went on top of that with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Cafe 35. I don't know what it is about me and concealers, but when I go buy them, I want that highlighted look without looking super highlighted, and I always tend to go for a more deeper concealer for that, and they always end up being either too orangey or almost my skin tone color. So now I prefer to get like one medium dark and then one like medium shade, just to be safe. I'm not sure if I got much rest that night when I woke up at 4:30 in the morning to film this video, but I had to go in with some extra concealer, and that typically does not happen with these two concealers, because I usually don't have a problem with it covering, but I felt like I needed that extra coverage, so I went in a little bit more in the inner tear duct. When I tell you that the last several months of this year have been the most stressful, agonizing months of life. My skin has gone through some ish, guys. I broke out like crazy. I got acne scars like crazy. Luckily, that time of my life is over, and I'm on to better things, and I'm much happier now. But that's a whole nother video. Now I'm setting everything with the CoverGirl translucent loose setting powder in the color Translucent Dark, I believe, or Translucent Medium. Pretty sure it came across the screen. I just was talking over it, so y'all saw it, or check the description box. Setting my whole face with the MAC Studio Fix Press Powder in the color NW45. Now I'm going in with the Pixi Contour Highlight Palette, and I am taking the color, I forgot what, I think it's Honey Bunny and Caviar Dreams. and I'm using that to bronze and contour. Now I'm taking the L'Oreal Paris Enchanted Scented Situation Blush in the color 193 Charming. Absolutely love this blush. It is so pretty. Dark skin women, women of color. You guys, this blush must be in your collection. It is absolutely gorgeous. And then I went back into that Pixi highlight and contour palette and I took the color Queen and I highlighted my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose, and I believe that's it. And maybe on my brow bone area as well. To finish the look, we're gonna go in with the lips. I am taking the ColourPop eyeliner in the color Mr. Bing. Love this shade. Hated it on my eyes, but I love it on my lips, so I only use this as a lip liner. Then I'm taking the adesse or adesse, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. I think it's adesse HD liquid lipstick in the color Verona, which I thought was funny because my favorite liquid lipstick at the moment is the e.l.f. Liquid lipstick in the shade Verona, but this is a cream liquid lipstick and it's actually very, very close to the e.l.f. matte liquid lipstick shade Verona. Thought that was cute, but yes, love this shade, love this lip combo, the best for women of color when it comes to a nude lip. In my opinion, because not everybody will agree. We have made it to the end of this look. This is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Click that notification bell, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.